This might just look like a bird on a branch. But when you see what it really is, OMG. We were shocked to know that the body of a woman was cleverly painted to resemble the tropical bird. The artist, Johannes Stoeter, is a 35-year-old former world champion body painter. He says even his closest friends often mistake his art for a real-life parrot. Obviously, even the picture has to be precisely positioned to capture it. The end result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.